What? Good morning, afternoon, evening. My voice is dying, but I'm going to have to speak very softly today. Don't worry, guys. I'm not sick or anything. It's just it's just the underlying condition I had before that just gave up. Yesterday I went to the doctor's because it was my birthday, and I got my throat checked out, my breathing tube checked out, because I have been coughing out of nowhere lately. Especially during the Mario Party collab, I had to mute myself quite a bit in between. Excuse me. And usually when I catch a cold or anything, the cough goes on for like at least a month. I thought it was something similar to that, except this time I didn't really have a cold. I felt completely fine. But the doctor said I have a very hypersensitive respiratory system or something like that. Where, oh my god, my voice is dying really. Even if I just like breathe in air, my throat thinks that it's like I need to cough reflex, and then I cough. So I got some medicine prescribed. The doctor also said it's probably best to not strain talking too much. Drink lots of hot water and humidifier and good old moisture important stuff. So yeah. that's how it is right now. Me get some water. And boy oh boy, past Ina, wouldn't you know, he planned a karaoke stream for Sunday. I think that's kind of out of the out of the question right now. I thought maybe for the next upcoming couple of days, I'll probably take a break from streaming to conserve my throat so I don't completely lose my voice, and hopefully recover in time for Aqua Senpai's concert. I sound much more sick than I actually feel. It's just my throat. Is it you, Kiara? Kiara. I shall make you some hot tea with honey. Honey. Thanks, honey. Thanks, honey. Thanks, Kiara. Oh my god, I sound terrible. Please don't worry. I'm fine. I just can't tell puns back to back anymore because I'm gonna cough. I'll be back. Soon. Okay. Behave yourself while I'm gone. I'll be watching.